In the past, nobody knew the how, but they all knew the why. They didn't care about the how as long as the heart knew the why. The first man to climb Mount Everest didn't know how he'll handle the extreme cold. The first sailor to cross the ocean didn't know how they'll face the roaring storms, but he knew why he had to reach the other side. The first man to invent the airplane didn't know how he'll make it fly, but he knew why the skies needed to be conquered. Farmers used to do a stupid rain dance at times of drought, not because that's how they thought the rain would come, but because it might be the reason the rain would come. Back then, nobody gave a fuck about the how. They just knew that action trumps all. They moved first, then they figured out how. All they knew was relentless, savage action. The kind that would literally bend the fabric of reality to their will, risking their life for a chance at glory, wealth, or freedom. But now, everybody knows the how, but we've all lost the why. We know the how so well that we're paralyzed by it, waiting for guarantees before taking the first step. We live in an era of abundant knowledge and information. There isn't a question on earth that we cannot get the answer to in milliseconds, something the scholars of the past would have absolutely killed for. Yet, we've lost our why. If you want to be rich, if you want to be strong, if you want to be free, the knowledge is out there, quite literally at your fingertips. Yet, we've lost our why. We're surrounded by distractions, noise everywhere, numbing us down and stripping away our spirit. Leadership in the hands of weaklings and cowards who push satanic agendas down our throats every single day. It's crazy how the world has shifted. So now, in a world full of confusion, can you find your light? Can you merge your how and why and risk it all for a life worth sacrificing for? The world doesn't need more experts. It needs more warriors. The ones who can move without certainty. The ones who dare to live. So let me ask you a very simple question. Do you dare to live?